Welcome to the historical journey of Riga, the present capital of Latvia. Founded in 1201, its story begins in the early Middle Ages. Our tale starts with Albert of Buxhoeveden, a bishop of Livonia, who established Riga as a base for the Northern Crusades. Strategically positioned at the mouth of the Daugava River, Riga quickly emerged as a vital trade center. Riga's stature grew as it joined the Hanseatic League, a powerful medieval trade alliance, enhancing its economic and political significance. The medieval period saw Riga thrive, expanding in trade and infrastructure. Gothic and Romanesque styles dominated Riga's architecture, with the Riga Cathedral standing as a testament to this era. Another architectural marvel, St. Peter's Church, further exemplifies Riga's medieval architectural prowess. This era also witnessed a cultural boom, blending Germanic and Livonian traditions in a rich tapestry of arts. As a Hanseatic hub, Riga excelled in international trade, dealing in goods like timber, wax, amber, and furs. This economic boom gave rise to a flourishing and influential merchant class within the city. Riga's governance was in the hands of a council, primarily composed of local merchants and burghers. The Hanseatic League's influence was deeply embedded in Riga's political fabric. The Teutonic Order, too, played a significant role in shaping Riga's political landscape. The Archbishopric of Riga was another key player in the city's complex political arena. The Northern Crusades brought about profound Christianization, leaving an indelible mark on Riga. Riga evolved into a pivotal religious center, adorned with numerous churches and monasteries. The city often witnessed tensions between its religious and secular authorities. Facing internal strife and external threats, Riga developed sophisticated defensive strategies. These challenges influenced Riga's political alliances and its approach to external relations. Today, Riga's medieval heritage is meticulously preserved in its Old Town. This Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a living museum of the city's rich history. The legacy of medieval Riga continues to shape its cultural and historical landscape. In summary, medieval Riga was a significant northern European city, renowned for its trade, architectural beauty, and dynamic political and religious life. The echoes of medieval Riga resonate through the streets of the modern city, continuing to influence Latvia's culture and history.